Have you tried Akpa, mumu, desti before? When we say Akpa, we are just trying to tell you tilapia. Mumu means fresh. Desti is soup. So Akpa, mumu, desti means fresh tilapia lice soup. That is what is on our bill of fare today. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Ezra and welcome. So before we start, I'm just going to prep my Akpa mumu. Okay, so a sister on this street told me that when you use the spoon to remove the scales, it doesn't spread out. Okay, I know that we use the spoon, especially when you go to Cape Coast, Elmina. Yeah, I know that my mother used to do that because we used to sell fish. Okay, but I didn't know the main reason is not to spread out, but she taught me that, and I'm so grateful for that. So you can use spoon instead of knife, and it is very helpful. So after I'm done removing the scales, I'm just going to cut them. Okay, after cutting it, it makes it very easier to clean every part that you want to clean. Okay, if today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. Have you subscribed on YouTube at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes? If no, please do it for me. It is actually free. And please follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. It is also free. So I'll go ahead and cut the dorsal fin and also all the fins, okay? And any part that I don't want. Thank you so much once again for your time. I do appreciate it. My returning followers and subscribers, you are amazing. Thank you so much. So these are the ingredients we are going to blend. I've added some scallions or spring onions. So I will leave all those ingredients on the screen. Now I have my ingredients that I'm showing them on the screen. I can see that it is going very fast, so I will list everything on the screen as well. Now I will add my marinade. Okay, the ingredients that we blended earlier, I will just add it to the tilapia and marinate it very well. Okay, thank you so much. So we are just going to leave this in my fridge till the next day, then I'll get back to you. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much for your time. So the next day, it has marinated very well. I'll bring it out and then set it aside whilst we blend all these ingredients. After blending, I'll just go ahead and strain it very well. If you want it very light, you can strain it, and if you don't want it light, just make sure you blend your ingredients very well so that you prepare it very thick. Okay, this is for the family. They want it very light, I want it very thick. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and add my tilapia to the soup since it has boiled very well. That was about 10 minutes later. I'll go ahead and add everything in the container to the soup. You can see how beautiful it is boiling. Okay, now our soup has been on fire for 15 minutes on a very lower heat, and this is how it looks. You can see that still the fish is intact and they've not gotten any accident. Okay, they are well and they look very good. So after extra 10 minutes again on a very low heat, that's how I prepare my food. Okay, I don't give it a high heat. Okay, so after 10 minutes later, our soup is ready. I will just serve it with some fufu, add some okro, my garden eggs, and then we enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.